In this video, I'm going to break down how and why my CPMs are so high, even up to $300 CPMs. So real quick, before we jump into what exactly a CPM is, and we're going to go in and look at mine. I'm going to show you exactly what my CPMs are on several different videos, go into my analytics and show you all that data. But first, let's take a couple steps back. So in order to get CPM, we're talking about YouTube ad revenue, meaning YouTube puts ads on my videos and I get paid for them putting ads on my videos. That's YouTube ad revenue, YouTube monetization, Google AdSense. All of those are saying the exact same thing. YouTube running ads on your videos and you get paid for it. So the higher the CPM, the more money you're going to get as long as you're getting views, right? If your video is not getting views, then CPM's pretty irrelevant and you're not going to make money if you're not getting views, because there's got to be views in order for YouTube to show ads on the video. And if your videos are less than 10 minutes, YouTube's only going to show one ad before the video. But if you make videos that are over 10 minutes, then what you can do is place ads before and after the video, and you can place them in the middle of the video. And I have a video that explains exactly how to do that. That's this one right here. So if you want to know how to put ads on your videos and place them manually like that for videos that are over 10 minutes, then definitely check out this video. And I also have an entire YouTube playlist dedicated to YouTube growth and monetization, so definitely check that out. There's great tips in there for how to make money through your channel, not just through YouTube monetization, but selling other things through your channel, affiliate marketing, selling your own products, stuff like that. CPM is a metric that represents how much money advertisers are spending to show ads on YouTube. It's not a measure of how much your videos are earning per 1,000 views. You'll see a few different CPM metrics in YouTube Analytics. You'll see the CPM, the cost an advertiser pays for 1,000 ad impressions. An ad impression is counted anytime an ad is displayed. And then playback-based CPM, the cost an advertiser pays for 1,000 video playbacks when an ad is displayed. So when you get your channel monetized and let YouTube run ads on your videos, that's not actually YouTube running those ads. That's other companies, other individuals that are using YouTube's platform to run ads on your videos to tell you about their product or service. Why is CPM important? By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and enable notifications. I really appreciate that. And also drop a like. The YouTube algorithm seems to love when people like the video. Honestly, I don't care all that much, but I do care a little bit because, these videos take me a bit of time. It's good info. I want people to find them and see them, and smashing the like button helps with that. So please give that like button a smash. Right here, why is CPM important? You get a cut of what advertisers pay you when an ad serves on your video. The more an advertiser pays for that ad, the more money you make. Now that is the key of why my CPMs are so high, and I'm going to go about explaining that more. Your CPM is a good indicator of how valuable advertisers find your video and audience for achieving their own business goals. So that right there is the key to why I get relatively high CPMs on my videos. Now, I don't get the most views, so even though I have high CPMs, I don't get crazy amounts of views, so it doesn't end up making me the stupid amounts of YouTube ad revenue money that you occasionally hear about from like very big creators. But it does add up to a significant amount of money, let's call it. And the reason that is because there's advertisers that are willing to spend good amounts of money to run their ads on my videos. And that in part has a lot to do with the topics that I make my videos around, but then it also has to do with the quality of the video, if the video is getting views, if the audience is relevant to the advertiser and the message, product, service that they're trying to get across. So all of that does come together, but to boil it down, to simplify it, it's pretty much like the topics that I'm making the videos on. If the videos are performing well, and if those two work together and are happening, then the advertisers are willing to spend more money to advertise on those videos, and that's how I get a higher CPM. So if we look right here in my channel analytics in YouTube Creator Studio, I've got it set to the last 28 days. If I come over here and click on revenue and scroll down a little bit, right here it gives me this box where it shows me my top earning videos over the last 28 days. So you see that this Helium 10 tutorial has made $234 over the last 28 days, which is pretty dope, honestly. Like, how long that video took me to make was probably, like, to start making that video to upload it and publish it, probably, I don't know, probably like 4, 5, 6 hours, something like that. And look, we'll come back to this in just a second, but I think this is cool to see. If we go, oh, so lifetime, it's made me $872. So if you go 872 divided by, let's call it 5 hours, that's like $174 an hour, and this video will continue to make me more money. And I have some affiliate marketing linked to this video, so it's made me even a bit more than that. So YouTube's cool like that. You know, if you get a video to perform well, then you can make money pretty passively just based off of an initial 4 or 5 hours worth of work. All right, so let's jump back here to my analytics real fast. And back here at my top earning videos, I'm gonna click into the see more, and it's gonna give us a lot more data to look at here. All right, so right here I've got this column, your estimated ad revenue sorted from high to low. And so right here's that Helium 10 video, last 28 days made me $230. This is a Facebook one, made me $87. This is an Instagram ads video, which is still pretty much Facebook ads. That one's made me $80, and so on. And if we come over to this column, we see the playback base CPM. And so we'll see that for the Helium 10 tutorial, it's $307. For the Facebook Business Manager, $78. For the IG ads, $48. And then you can see this one right here. So this is one video that's maybe the video that's getting the most views right now. Like this video is getting a lot of views, but it doesn't have a very good CPM. So like look, if we look at estimated monetized playbacks, 13,000 views, but since it only has an $8, $9 CPM, it's only made me $64 in the last 28 days. Whereas this one has a $300 CPM, and even though it's only got 1,400 views, it's made me $230. And the reason that my CPM isn't that high on how to put ads on your YouTube videos is because what we talked about, there aren't really advertisers that are willing to spend that much money on that video and that topic. Whereas this Helium 10 tutorial video, there are advertisers that are willing to spend a lot more money to advertise on top of that video and on top of that topic, so then I have a higher CPM. And if we go like this and actually look at these videos, I'm going to turn off my ad block so that we actually get to see the different types of ads that are showing up. If I search Helium 10 and click into my video here, we should get an ad. So here's an ad from
a new user goes to Wix.com and starts creating a professional website.
So here's an ad from Wix. Wix is a big company spending, like Wix is a big legitimate company wanting to spend and willing to spend good money on this video. And so here's another ad on this Helium 10 video where it's actually Helium 10, the company that I'm talking about in the video, the tutorial that I made the video on. That company is advertising and promoting their services on top of my video. And then there's also, you know, if we let this go through, we'll probably get another one where it's a guru selling a course about how to sell on Amazon. So there's just lots of different people that want to advertise on top of this video, and they're willing to spend good amounts to advertise on top of the video because it's so relevant, because the audience that they want to reach is there. And then another reason is because if these people from running an ad on this video actually make a sale through running that advertisement, then they make several hundreds or maybe even thousands off of that sale. So then that makes them more able to spend more on the advertisement since they're going to make so much money off of a sale. So it's things like that that factor into how high your CPM is. And the topic is, like I said, is going to be the main thing that matters. Like, is it a topic that people want to advertise on top of? People want to advertise on top of this Helium 10 tutorial video about how to find products to sell on Amazon. Whereas not many people want to advertise on top of my video about how to put ads on your YouTube videos, and that's just how that is. And to be completely honest, I never knew at all what my CPMs would be or if they'd be high CPMs. In fact, I thought they'd be way lower than the CPMs that I've seen, but it just turns out that the topics that I have been building videos around, again, are topics that advertisers want to advertise on top of because they're selling products and services. And since those products and services are a bit more expensive, higher priced, then they can spend more on their advertising. So there's not necessarily a way to check before you make the video how much you're going to make CPM wise. I just wouldn't worry about that. I'd worry more about just like what topics can you make videos around? Are you passionate about making videos around? Because then you're just going to be able to continue to make videos. And the more you make, the more data you'll have here that will start to tell you which ones have higher CPMs and which ones don't. And then from there, if you want to make more of the ones that have higher CPMs, you can do that to make more off of YouTube ad revenue. I've done that like a little bit, but I don't do that too much just because I've got a lot of topics I want to upload and talk about. So I try not to just hone into a CPM and stick to that so I can make as much YouTube ad revenue as possible, because I just want to put out good information around several different topics: Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, how to grow a YouTube channel, all that stuff. So I don't laser focus in on my CPM and then try and get my channel to make as much as possible through YouTube ad revenue. But it is nice to look at that and see that that's there and know which ones are making me more money. But you can absolutely laser focus on your CPM and driving that up and making the most you can through YouTube ad revenue if you want to.